Hey guys, welcome to another video. Look, today I'm just gonna film with my dogs. Look how cute he is. Look, this is my other dog. I have 4 dogs, guys. Okay, that one's named Moono. And this one's Chanel. Moana. Hello, Moana. Stop! Ah! Ow! You hit my leg, Mr. Sir. You need a dog ticket. And look, I can show you guys the other 2. Wait 1 second. Oh, that's wrong. If I even can. Look, this is the mean, grumpy one. Kiki, Kilo. That's his name, Kilo. Hello, Papas. Welcome to the film. Oh, you got a little fly. And this is Chanel. Where is she? Chanel! Yeah. Comment down below what do you want me to do with them. He plays soccer a little. Stop biting on me. Ooh. Like trying to get my camera. And see you guys in a next film. Peace.